Welcome to my channel Learn GK with Asma. In this video tutorial, I will tell you about the oceans of the world. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Oceans of the world. 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Oceans are responsible for existence of life as they control the earth's climate and its temperature. They balance the heat and are crucial for creation of rainfall. There are five oceans in the world: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. Number 1. Pacific Ocean. It is the largest ocean of the world. Its area is around 16 crore. It is 7 lakh and 23,000 square kilometer. It covers around 45% of the oceans. It is also the largest body of water and the single biggest feature on planet Earth. The widest point of the Pacific Ocean is 19,300 kilometers. The depth of the Pacific Ocean is around 4,200 meters, and the world's deepest point, Mariana Trench, is also present in the Pacific Ocean with a depth of 10,920 meters. Winds with a speed of 55 km per hour is present in the North Pacific Ocean, and the South Pacific Ocean experiences strong westerlies which blows from 35° to 60° mid-latitude. Ocean number 2, Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean of the world with an area of around 85 crore 13 lakh and 3,000 square kilometers. It covers around 22 to 29% of the oceanic area. The average depth of Atlantic Ocean is around 3,660 meters, and the deepest point is Puerto Rico Trench with a depth of 8,648 meters. North Atlantic is the windiest ocean with a strong winter westerlies of over 55 kilometers per hour. The South Atlantic Ocean is the smallest ocean and completely lake of tropical storm activity. Ocean number 3, the Indian Ocean. It is the third largest ocean of the world with an area of around 7 crore 5 lakhs 60,000 square kilometers. Its size is approximately equal to the Atlantic Ocean. It covers around 20% oceanic area. It is located in the southern hemisphere with little area located in the north of the equator. It is around 6,400 kilometers wide at the equator. The average depth is 3,897 meters, and the deepest point is Java Trench with a depth of 7,725 meters. The winds are the roaring forties. Roaring forties are extremely powerful westerly winds that blow in the southern hemisphere between the latitudes of 40° and 50°. Ocean number 4, the Southern Ocean or the Antarctic Ocean. It is the fourth largest ocean of the world with an area of around 2 crore 19 lakh and 60,000 square kilometers. The Southern Ocean circles Antarctica and connects the Indian, Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. The depth of Southern Ocean is around 3,200 meters, and the deepest point is South Sandwich Trench. Antarctic Circumpolar Current is the strongest oceanic current of the world. Ocean number 5, Arctic Ocean. It is the smallest ocean of the world with an area of around 1 crore 55 lakhs and 58,000 square kilometer. It is surrounded by Asia, Europe, Greenland and North America. The Arctic Ocean gets plenty of fresh water from the large Siberian rivers. and it gets warm salt water 80% from Atlantic Ocean and 20% from Pacific Ocean. In the summer, half ocean melts away and in winter it remains frozen. Trick to remember these oceans from largest to smallest ocean is an Urdu word PAISA. P stands for Pacific, A for Atlantic, I for Indian, S for Southern and A for Arctic Ocean. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.